Hi, my name is Raymond and I'm from ID27.
Hi, my name is soaʻʀᴅᴇᴅ. You can call me Max.
Hello, my name is Teacher Shai.
My name is June and I'm from ID27.
I'm Anusha. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Peng.
Hi, my name is Camille.
Hi guys, my name is Charmaine and I'm from ID27.
Hi, my name is Chloe from ID27.
My name is Barbie. I'm from ID27.
My name is Lucas.
My name is Siva Ganesh and I'm 19 years old this year.
Hi guys, my name is Kunawan, son of Tarumanathan. You can call me Kuna.
Hello, my name is Shiro. You also can call me Elaine.
Hi, my name is Kaden Momantin, but you can call me Kaden.
My name is Albert. I'm 19 years old this year.
Hi, my name is Rubashini. You can call me Ruba from ID27.
Hello, I'm Janice and I come from ID27.
My name is Claire and I'm from ID27.
Okay, my name is �æpē𝒚𝒐𝒏𝒅. You can call me Rika.
Hello, my name is Gabriel. I am 18 years old.
My favorite friend is Raymond, Shiro, and June.
I like is Barbie and Claire and Janice and Siva and Kuna.
Kabina với Lucas and Kaden.
Charmaine, Raymond and Shiro.
My favorite person in class is the sex little pig. One person, ma. Sex little pig.
One group.
My favorite friend is Kai, Janice, Siva, and Kuna.
Janice, Barbie, Chloe, Siva Ganesh, and Kuna.
My favorite friend is Max.
Charmaine, Yunyan, and Raymond.
My favorite friend is Rubashini.
Chao Kainyo, Lim Xuan, and also Janice and Hui Jin.
I think Siva is the funniest thing in class. Everything he did is funny. Yeah.
Always Siva, the funniest thing. Always it make different in the class, disturbing students, disturbing the teachers, disturbing every time. This one is the funniest.
My favorite classmate, Siva Ganesh. Wherever I go, I call him, even if it's toilet. So he's my bestie.
So I heard that you like Kai.
Huh?
Is it true? Oh my god.
No, it's false. I hate Kai the most. Kai is very annoying and she always beat me. She, Janice and Barbie Xuan always whack me, so life is like that.
For Janice, she is very kind, and the first impression I give her is she's very cute. And Barbie, she's a like, when you saw her, you feel very happy. She'll bring happy to all of us. And Siva also, when she fighting with Barbie, that's the most happiest moment in our class. And Kai, she's very smart and very, I would say peaceful. She, yeah, very pretty also. For Kuna, he most of the time looks like a father because he's like very mature. Yeah. Okay.
First is Raymond. He's very handsome in the beginning, but after that, ugly. And then next is Shiro. She's like so quiet, but no, she's very blah, 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 blah. And then the last, she looks like very fierce, but no, she's very like that.
对 Kaden 第一印象是觉得这个人很强壮，对 Lucas 的第一印象是觉得他很聪明一个人。
我觉得第一次遇到Kai的时候，她是一个很严肃的女人，她是有一点凶。
My first impression is Barbie because this girl in the first day, during the break time, we all go for family mart having our lunch, and Barbie just eat alone in the class for the gardenia bread.
Mr. Roslan, the best trainer in InterExcel / not only a trainer, also a father figure, a very good and honest gentleman. Always make the class very happy, not always just about teaching. Also, he always cares about us, what we're doing like outside our daily life, and so on. So I thank Mr. Rosan for that.
Miss Christina, for teaching and guiding us. I really enjoy the class and I learned a lot. I will miss this time and I always remember it. I love ID27.
Miss Christina. She's very kind, very friendly, and easy to talk to also.
Okay, I very thank you, Mr. Hillary. I think Mr. Hillary is the best mentor in InterExcel.
Thank you, Madam Chong and Mr. Hillary, for always give us the best thing and teach us before the interview and let us feel very nervous before the interview.
Maybe you have some words for Mr. Rosan?
Oh, 我不知道。This is what Mr. Rosan always say. 我不知道。
谢谢他们的栽培，谢谢他们的教导。
To Madam Sharon, thank you for teaching us our most important subject, which is grooming for cabin crew. He helped us a lot and we're gonna miss you. To Madam Karen, thank you so much for guiding us and building up our confidence in answering interview questions.
Okay, first I want to thanks to Madam Chong and Mr. Hillary and Mr. Rosan. They teach me a lot about this course and they gain a lot of knowledge to me also.
Mr. Rosan, of course, because he is very funny and very kind also.
So, if Mr. Rosan is not teacher, then what do you think he will be?
I mean, the comedian actor because so funny. My favorite strength, I would say the first person that comes to my mind is Mr. Rosan because he knows how to teach us in a good. I feel like you can really understand when he teach, but make sure you guys have to focus while teaching. I would say as far as all the trainers that have taught us, Miss Christina, Miss Rani, Mr. Rajesh, everyone, I would say are very good trainers as well. Everyone is professional and also they are very sporting.
You guys, always gonna miss you. The students, our memories, everything is started from here.
Mr. Hillary, Madam Chong, Miss Haley, and all the intern, my fellow classmates and everyone, and InterExcel to become academy. Thank you.
So Mr. Hillary, Madam Chong, and Miss Haley, thank you for giving me the opportunity to study in InterExcel. And also I'm really thankful that my dream came true to complete my diploma and to become a cabin crew in Singapore Airlines. And God bless all three of you and your families.
I want to thank Mr. Hillary, Madam Chong, Mr. Rosan, Madam Karen, Madam Sharon, Miss Rani, and Miss Christina.
So why you think you always late coming to class?
Because I always late.
See,
I'm always late because I always overslept. Respect.
I would say thank you for the wonderful opportunity for this 1.5 years course into InterExcel. It made me feel more different because I learned a lot how to groom myself, and I would like to thank everyone.
InterExcel is a great academy to improve ourselves, first thing. Second, the trainers and the interns are very good, very polite.
I would say thank you for not giving up because there were so many times that I almost give up in pursuing my diploma course because I've always wanted to study diploma since I was in high school.
I think I become more disciplined. Sometimes I'm always late. I learned how to groom myself and how to present myself.
努力加油，别放弃。
I was very introvert, I never talked to anyone. So now I try to talk with all of them, and then my past actually I was very silent. I cried inside more, but now I was more happy because I learned so much how to be independent and still how to be a good girl.
When you just start, I see a big difference in me and I become more smarter.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. I want to say to my classmates, thank you to be my friends, thank you to teach me, and thank you. I want to be friend with me because sometimes maybe I like crazy people, but you guys still want to friend with me. I'm very thank you, and I'm gonna miss you all guys. And yeah, that's all.
I hope you will always be happy, healthy, and brave.
I just hope I can see everybody in the sky and I could meet them in I don't know, in a destination desired by the airline. So I could meet them. I don't know lah. Ayo.
These people always bully us. You see? Okay, already record. Later I go balance police. Okay. Siwa. He always bully us.
I think they are really fun. Sometimes a bit too noisy. But overall, I like them.
And last but not least, we also want to thank you to our ketua kelas, Ruwashini. We want to thank her because she keep helping us,
guiding
us,
and also
what you like,
reminded us
remind us,
invent things and
take care of
us,
us,
take care of us. And she is very friendly.
and very pretty.
Yes.
She's the best monitor
Yes.
in the world. I love you, Ruwashini.
I hope all my classmates can get an airline job in maybe 1 or 2 years.
I think everyone's my favorite.
My best memory with them is when we playing the Tangle game. And then Kai and Barbie beat the Siwa.
They helped me celebrate my birthday.
Just want to say that I'm very thankful for them for helping me when I needed, and yeah, help me to study and stuff like that. Yes.
I think I will miss Ruwa. I think I appreciate Ruwa because she was a bold, very strong, and then she helping our whole class until from the starting of the class until the ending. She was supportive and so on.
Union. She's a caring and a friendly person. Yes.
Say something to Gabriel. Thank you to him for always helping me in my study also and improve a lot of my English. And even though I didn't came for class or what, he also will help me take photo of the module, everything. Hope you guys also will pass every interview that you go, and yeah, fly high.
Very happy to meet you all in ʀXL and become a very good class with us, and thank you for everything and see you in the sky.
You know your classmates all annoyed with you.
Yeah, I know that. But I know without me, they all very sad in this class. So that's why I need to have me in this class. So ID27 will be the best. Without me, ID27 is nothing without me. So I hope everyone gets their dream job when they leave this academy, and also I'll be seeing them in the sky.
Thank you for putting up with me for 2 years. I know that we didn't get to know each other for a long time, and I know that I might not be able to be a very outgoing person, but thank you for the time and the 1 year we spent together.
Hope you all being great for your future and being happy is the most important things. Yeah.
For the past 1.5 years we've been together, and through all the ups and downs also we've been together. During exam time we study together. We all are one together. So I will see you all in the sky. Take care and bye bye.
One day we're gonna meet again.
Bye bye 𝒁𝒂𝒎, and we will miss you.
Bye bye 𝒁𝒂𝒎. Thank you for the time I've spent together and the 2 years, and thank you for helping me experience what cabin crew lifestyle is. Thank you.
Bye bye ʀ𝒂𝒎.
Okay, thank you ʀ𝒂𝒎. Bye bye.
Bye bye ʀ𝒂𝒎. Bye bye.
Thank you ʀ𝒂𝒎 for the wonderful opportunity. Bye bye.
Bye bye ʀ𝒂𝒎.
Fly high ID27. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. I love ID27. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you ʀ𝒂𝒎. Bye ʀ𝒂𝒎.
Bye bye ʀ𝒂𝒎.
Bye bye ʀ𝒂𝒎. See you.
Thank you ʀ𝒂𝒎. We will see you in future.
My name is Rubashni Anna Perpuansar.
Hello, my name is
I'm 17 years old.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is ʀ𝒂𝒎 Saiza. I'm 18 years old, born in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. My highest qualification would be my European.
Bye bye ʀ𝒂𝒎.